Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this series of Padyatra conference of Pakyong district. In the series of Sardar @ 150 Unity March Padyatra, which is a nationwide movement. Today, we have gathered here for the press conference of Pakyong district for the Unity March Padyatra. We are joined by a very special guest for this Padyatra, young prodigy and our Indian football team member, under 17 team member, Miss Abhishta Basnit. She has represented India globally and internationally in the football, and she is a dynamic and young player who has joined us today for this message of Unity March Padyatra. We are also joined by our District Information Officer, Ms. Dicky Bujia Madam. We are also joined by Mr. Karma Sherpaji, District Coordinator for NSS in Pakyong District. So I welcome all the members who will be briefing today for this Unity March Padyatra to be organized in Pakyong District. Before I begin, I represent My Bharat as a Deputy Director under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. I would like to brief about the objective of Padyatra and how and when it will be organized in the Pakyong district. So as you would be knowing, we have launched this Padyatra in the state of Sikkim on 16th of October, and after that on the National Unity Day, which is Sardar Patel's birthday, we also organized one Padyatra in Gangtok district. Since in the whole state we will be conducting these Padyatras across all the districts, so this particular press conference is basically for the Pakyong district, which has been decided by the organizing committee meeting, which held on 7th of November in Pakyong district, that we should also organize befitting Padyatra, Unity Padyatra in Pakyong district under the chairmanship of district magistrate. Under the chairman and other organizing committee members, we will be conducting this Padyatra in Pakyong district on 18th of November from 9:30 AM onwards. Around 500 plus young students, our army veterans, our armed forces personnel, NDRF, SSB, our sports persons, youth icons, and other key dignitaries, public representatives, and officials will be joining this Padyatra to give the message of unity, which is being celebrated across the country under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. As you would be knowing, Sardar Patel's immense contribution in uniting India is known to every Indian. In the similar way, Honorable Prime Minister's vision and determination to make India Vikshit by 2047 has also to be propagated and disseminated through this Padyatra. Along with the message of Vikshit by 2047, will be spreading the message of Fit India, Drug-Free India, as well as Atmanirbhar Bharat through this Padyatra. हम सब लोग मिलकर, सब जो सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया मिलकर इस पूरे मूवमेंट को एक राष्ट्रव्यापी अभियान के रूप में और एक सफल अभियान के रूप में इस पदयात्रा के माध्यम से देख रहे हैं। ये पूरा वर्ष भर का आयोजन है। इसके 3 पड़ाव जो पदयात्रा के होने हैं, वो उसका पहला पड़ाव ये था कि इस पदयात्रा का संदेश मीडिया के बंधुओं के माध्यम से, प्रेस के माध्यम से आम जन तक पहुंचे और सरदार पटेल की लेगेसी और उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन भारत की एकता के संदर्भ में जो है वो भी आप लोगों के माध्यम से पूरे देशवासियों तक पहुंचे। दूसरा जो पड़ाव है वो उनके पार्टिसिपेशन को लेके है कि आमजन इसका हिस्सा बने, आमजन इस पर्टिकुलर नेशन वाइड मूवमेंट का हिस्सा बने। उसके लिए पदयात्राएं प्रत्येक जिले में, प्रत्येक पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में किए जा रहे हैं। पूरे देश भर में लगभग 750 जिलों में और लगभग 545 पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में ये पदयात्राएं होने जा रही है। सिक्किम भी इस पूरी पदयात्रा प्रक्रिया का एक सक्रिय हिस्सा बनकर इन यात्राओं का आयोजन करने जा रहा है। और पाक्योंग जिले में जैसा हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, पाक्योंग जिले की पदयात्रा भी हमारी जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी है उसने 18 तारीख को शेड्यूल की है। तो आप सभी मीडिया के माध्यम से हम चाहेंगे कि ये संदेश कि सभी लोग इस पदयात्रा का हिस्सा बने और एक यूनाइटेड इंडिया का मैसेज, यूनाइटेड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिया का मैसेज इस पदयात्रा के माध्यम से कि हम लोग एक हैं और हम लोग एकता के साथ और एकजुटता के साथ देश को विकसित बनाने का संदेश आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। उसका संदेश इस पदयात्रा के माध्यम से, आप लोगों के माध्यम से आम जन तक पहुंचे, इसके लिए हम लोग एकत्रित हुए हैं। हम एक स्पेशल गेस्ट, जैसा मैं बता रहा था कि यंग प्रोडिगी है और हमारे सिक्किम का प्राइड है अभिष्टा बस्नेत, जिन्होंने न केवल सिक्किम को बल्कि पूरे भारत को एक प्राइड के साथ रिप्रेजेंट किया है इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम में, अंडर 17 में. शी इज the youngest member of our Indian football team. So has also joined us today for this particular press conference. I welcome her again, and I request her to say a few words about Unity Padyatra, as well as appeal all young Indians, all students, all citizens to be a part of this nationwide movement of Unity Padyatra. Miss Avista Bastet.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. So, म चाहिँ अभिष्टा बस्नेत हो. यो पदयात्रा हाम्रो पाक्योङ डिस्ट्रिक्टमा चाहिँ इट्स on 18 November. So like 9:30 PM AM देखि. So like I would like to call all the students, youth to join it. अब यो चाहिँ अब हुँदैछ यहाँ पाक्योङमा. So like I would like to call everyone. So यो पदयात्राले चाहिँ convey a message to like drug free बाट बस्नु लागि and stay fit. And I would like to appeal everyone to come and join this on 18 November from 9:30 AM from DAC Pakyong till Community Hall. So यो 18 November लाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ memorable बनाएर celebrate चाहिँ success होस्.
Thank you. Thank you, Avista. I'll also request Dicky Bhutia Madam about the preparedness and the role of district administration, how we are going to organize it, so that everyone becomes aware of the preparedness of our Padyatra. Ms. Dicky Bhutia Madam, DIO for Pakyong District.
Thank you, sir. So as sirले भन्नुभयो, यो पदयात्राका लागि चाहिँ a committee is being formed in the district where the officials are there, head of the offices are there, including the district collector, Mr. Rohan Advani, who is the chairperson of the committee. Meeting भयो and यो program चाहिँ in collaboration with My Bharat and DAC Pakyongले गर्दैछ यो program organize. And as already mentioned, the program is on 18th of November. Padyatra cha. The program will be starting at 9:30 AM from DAC Pakyong till Community Hall. And यसमा चाहिँ 500 भन्दै पनि ज्यादा participants हुन्छ, where students will be participating, the district officials will be participating, and during the program खाली यात्रा मात्रै नभएर we'll be having some program also, cultural program, self help group हरु उनीहरुको stalls हरु राख्ने छ है. Even departments are also participating, cultural event हुनेछ, clear हुनेछ है. And यसले चाहिँ अब as sir already mentioned, यसले चाहिँ अब unity and diversity पनि देखाउँदैछ, where we want our youth to be drug free, fit, and एक हो जस्तो सरदार वल्लभ भाइ पटेलले जुन चाहिँ प्रिन्सली सीटहरुलाई एक जुटाएर सबैलाई इन्डियाको अन्डरमा ल्याउनु भएको छ है, जुन चाहिँ अराउन्ड आई थिंक 564 किङडम्सहरुलाई चाहिँ उहाँले अन्डरमा ल्याउनु भएको छ, इन्डियाको country as a country जोडाउनु भएको छ. हो त्यसैले नै हामी सबैजना सबै कम्युनिटी all the ethnic groups सँगै आएर है, let's be part of this program. And I request all the local gentries, youth icon, and even the influencer to come and be part of the program. Thank you so much.